Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, Femme, Shamika, whichever one you want to call me. And I did a mask yesterday, so I want to show you guys. So we got hibiscus and bentonite clay. The hibiscus is good for fighting aging signs. It improves and evens your skin tone, hydrates your skin well, cleanses your skin's pores, tightens your pores, prevents acne, and moisturizes your skin. And it's also known as a natural Botox. I mixed that with the bentonite clay because the bentonite clay works like a sponge on your face. It absorbs dirt and oil, like your sebum, your natural oil that comes out of your face, because too much oil on your face can lead to acne. And it has antibacterial and antifungal properties. I use this mask every week, and being that I am recovering from my TSW this year, I had TSW, topical steroid withdrawal, for a whole year. If you don't know what that is, you can look it up. But yes, I'm taking care of my skin to try and get it back to normal. As you can see on my chest and arms, I still have marks, but I've come a long, long, long way. Now I'm just wrapping my hair up so I could go ahead and wash this mask off. It looks really funny when it's dry, but it helped my skin a lot. Now you can see my skin freshly washed, clean, nothing on there. Now I'm going to add my eczema honey. This is like a oil, I guess they'll call it a serum to put on before the cream, but I don't use cream on my face. I just use the oil. I moisturize that in. I pull it into my hair because I actually had to shave all my locks off, and my hair is growing back, as you could tell, because I have braids, and I'm working on my edges coming back as well. I always had hair all the way down there. Okay, I'm going to use this thing that I'm using here to rub on my skin. Is actually a it's actually something that I make out of my calendula flowers with some beeswax, because I don't put anything from the store on my skin. I like to keep it as natural as positive, especially since I am working on bringing my skin back to its full health. Because the outer layer of our skin, our whole body, is the largest organ we have. Our skin is our largest organ. So, you want to make sure you're taking care of that and that you're not putting too much things on it that have additives to it. And I know that my makeup has some stuff in there. I use Milk foundation and L'Oreal foundation, and I mix them together for my base. And then I use the L'Oreal Infallible, I believe it is, concealer. So I put that under my eye just to give me like a clean look. I'm liking the way it's coming out. It's really pretty. And before that, what I did was I put that color corrector, which was orange, around my mouth, and then I put powder over it and spray it with the e.l.f. mist and spray. I forgot to say that. Okay, I'm going kind of fast, but I'm just gonna keep going. Right here, I'm just doing my eyeshadow. I believe this was from the James Charles palette. I had it for a while. Everything I'm using, I had these things for a while, except my brushes. I got new brushes, and I'm building back up my sponges and everything. I'm liking how my eyes are coming out. So I use orange, and then I put a little brown over it. And then in the middle part of my eye, I did like something light, like to match my skin color. So this is how it looks. Yeah, I love it. Now I'm going to fix my hair. I had so much fun in my hair yesterday. I love red. Red is my power color. I am an Aries. So here's some pictures I took directly after. And then here's me on TikTok. I dropped this video already, but I'm just adding some trinkets. I put shells and beads in my braids. I'm going to go ahead and add more to it. Probably tomorrow. Today I was just resting. But yeah, they came out so cute. Let me drink some water. Stay hydrated, ladies. But yeah, have a beautiful day. Check me out later. If you want to follow me, check out my YouTube, Fiers Femme.